Guys, please like and subscribe to the video. This is my model collection, guys. Up back here is Scania. Couple of Volvos, Iveco, Lorry, DAF, Mercedes, Hino, Volvo, DAF, nor Volvo, nor Lorry, Sir Atchison, Mercedes back. Moving down to second row, Scania, Tonelli, Volvo, DAF again. Couple of nice trucks and cars. Here's more trucks and cars. Mulgrew. Some of these are WSI and Corey. Guys, here my other ones. Sorry if camera's shaky, guys. Now I'll show you the bottom shelf. Last but not least. Here's another shelf. Sorry if this shelf is a bit of a mess, guys. And then here's a car. Mustang Shelby. And then here's the bottom shelf. I'll show you more, guys. Here's my trucks and diggers. Here's more cars and lorries. Subaru, SWAT team, MAN lorry too, nor Mercedes. And then here's all my broken toys. Here's all my collector stuff. More toys. My Nerf gun billets is in there. And then my Hot Wheels is in them bags. And then here my other lorries. Sorry if it's a mess. Here my empty bags. I'll show you more. Here is a car boy I work with, John James, got me. Remember other video? The Volkswagen Beetle, the Corvette, and the Camaro, BMW, McLaren, and police car, Camaro. And then Shirley got me these two, and then Daddy got me the rest. I'll show you more. And then moving down to more cars and trucks. Here, my other monster truck. Sorry if it's been a mess, guys. And then here's my other Hot Wheels car. Here, my other car. Ambulance. I'll show you more. I'll be back in a wee minute. Here's Trillers. More Trillers. Here's car here. I might start building on Ford Escort Mark 1. Here's more trucks, cars. These here for fixing. Crown Vic. Two other lorries, my favourite. Here's more cars and trucks. My drone. Here, my other trucks. Please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you. Bye.